Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Series 8 and Mama Ruth from Calgary, Alberta. Mega love shout out from Canada. Where are we going?
Stampede!
Stampede. Where going?
Stampede tonight!
Where are we going, Lou?
Calgary Stampede?
Yay!
I think we'll be.
Hi guys, look at us. We are waterproof, kinda, sort of. Excited for this?
Oh yeah.
This is sponsored by Tom's family. Tom, thank you, Tom. We're going to Stampede. Excited, Kami? Where are you?
Stampede!
Yeah! And it cost us $4 for our ticket at the Calgary Stampede. $4 each, guys. We're waiting for our train to go Calgary Stampeding. Yes, we're taking the train because it's easier that way.
That's true.
We get stuck last time in there. We can park there too, but it's
it was
easier.
busy.
Busy, yes. Excited, Kami?
Yeah.
Yes. Tommy?
Coming?
Yeah. And once again, we would like to thank you for our sponsor. That's Tom's family right there. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Say thank you to Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you. Thank you, Tommy.
You're welcome.
And as you can see, guys, it's cloudy there. It's been raining, so we got our yeah. And he's wearing shorts today. And look at us, cowboy outfit. Oh yeah. Oh,
We've got you gathered for Stampede.
that's not our train, but that is the train going to the other opposite side. Just to make sure, don't get confused, guys. Okay, outfit check. Oh wow. Outfit check, Kami. Oh wow. Lindsay. Oh wow. There's our train. Here comes our train. And we have to wait until it stops to ride. Okay, Tommy? Woohoo! It's busy here.
In 30 seconds. You've seen it. One on each side.
What?
We had all that too last night.
That's true.
Tom, this way.
Bedmander.
We made it.
Bedmander.
We made it here.
Made it.
Okay, catch it. Stand up. Stand up.
Here we go. Rapid fire. Let's see it, Gary.
Put your hands up, Lou. Put your hands up.
2. Come on.
Woohoo!
The competition this pool is so close that it all comes down to the 8 seconds that happens today.
Where's your red hat?
The Seaboard 80.
Don't squish it like that, please.
California Cowboys have come from the Holman legacy. And Lefty, he's a legacy. He's already got the money by his name, but he knows he needs more to advance the championship Sunday. It all happens right here at Calgary.
Whoa! Oh my god.
That's definitely a flutter. You see him jump that high and kick that hard. You know. I'll tell you what, Kate. That was
Oh, we missed the cow.
family.
Oh!
Right there, right there. Grandstand, I want you to get real loud right now.
Holy! Oh!
I love right
Ay! Oh! 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 Ay, ay, ay.
He took a midnight train going anywhere.
No. Still going. Aya, aya. Whoa! Oh, oh, run away. Going home, guys. It's raining, so we go home na. Look. Calgary Tower. Calgary Tower. There's a train. There's a train. Train. There's a train. Kami di Japan at Stampede?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thumbs up. But it's so windy and raining, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And once again, we would like to thank you for our sponsor. That's Tom's family right there. Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Say thank you to Tom.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you. Thank you, Tommy.
You're welcome.
That's our train. It's coming. Lindsay's reading. We are on the train, guys. We're going back. I have to turn around. Turn around. Woohoo! Michael Jackson in the house. Good job. Turn around. Woohoo! Okay, now eat first.